Morning, everybody. We're in the kitchen in the warehouse, and it's a little dingy in here, a little too tight. And Hib, Tao, and I are going to take some of our old IKEA cabinetry, and we're going to take John's design and make this thing a little bit bigger and a little more relaxing and cool to be in, and a little more functional and cleaner. Right now, Hib is disconnecting the water cooler, so we'll check back in. Alright, so it's pretty dingy in here. We're gonna paint it, make it nice. And yeah, that's what we're gonna do next. Clean this floor up, get it scrubbed up. Gonna be cool. Alright, so we started looking around and realized the walls are just completely disgusting. So we invested in 1 gallon of green paint. We tried to color match to the paint in the production office, and here's where we're at with that. Okay, so we just got done cutting the old countertop, and we put it on the old cabinet. Can't see this, but that's perfectly level because precision. Alright, so that's where we're at right now. So we got everything painted. We got these counters put together. And now we're going to hang these old IKEA cabinets. The hardware has changed, so we've got a weird mix of old hardware and new hardware, so we're just going to do this our own way. We made a backsplash too. I went to Home Depot and I got a $15 piece of 16-foot Celex, which is already primed. So we just painted it black. Well, this is the primer coat. It'll get better, but put it up there with our nail gun. Looks pretty pro, I gotta say. Did it for 16 bucks. Nice. Alright, so we got our backsplash in, and now we are cleaning everything out. And this was disgusting in here. But now it's going to be sparkly and magical and awesome, and it will be safer and healthier and way cooler. So here it is, our new break room. Got cupboards now that aren't sitting on the floor. Everything nice and organized. Countertop. Everything's clean. Nice and organized. Even got a fresh coat of paint. Break room. This is pretty cool. Hey, and there's Hib. Hib did almost all of this painting by himself. Well, Twee helped too. Thank you very much, Hib. So this is cool, man. This is a clean and good place. Feels a lot nicer than it used to.